I stayed here for 5 days. Overall experience was really good. Especially when I was booking the hotel, I was worried about the food for my kid because she's just 2 year old. But I can say that whatever I asked, whatever way I asked, they cooked it. Less spicy, no spice, fried with butter or ghee. So they made that. I really appreciate the effort from whole kitchen staff they did. Other than that, the cleaning staff, it was really clean room. Every day they were coming and then they were even changing the bed sheet and everything. So overall, the cleaning staff was also really doing good. Receptionists, they were always there for my help. Even I had some official things that I need to do, they helped me for that. So I really appreciate the effort they are doing. And I really recommend this hotel to everyone for long stay, small stay. So overall I would say 5 out of 5.